Hi friends, this is Vinay again, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how to go with evolution and behavior section, that is the 11. uh, Go to the syllabus. I have recommended the books of evolution and behavior. The best book is for evolution and behavior is Strickberger, and there is no PDF available of this book, so you have to buy, or if you can Xerox somewhere. It has section like A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, these are the sections. The first section is emergence of evolutionary thought. You are very familiar with Lamarck and Darwin concepts of variation, adaptation, struggle, fitness and natural selection. Mendelism, spontaneity of mutation, the evolutionary synthesis. You have already read this thing, just brush up from the basic books. Okay, and the second section is B section, where we have to read about origin of cells and evolutionary unicellular evolution. These are also you can find in the very basic books where it is written. It has origin of basic biological molecules, abiotic synthesis of organic monomers and polymers, concepts of Oparin and Halden. You are very familiar to this experiment of Miller, which is very popular, the first cell evolution of prokaryotes, or origin of eukaryotic cells, evolution of unicellular eukaryotes, anaerobic metabolism, photosynthesis and aerobic metabolism. These three things you will find in the book of biochemistry, so need not to read it. In evolution, then come to the section C, which includes paleontology and evolutionary history, in which you will have to read about the evolutionary time scale. You are again very familiar to this, which includes eras, periods and epochs and major events in the evolutionary time scale. In CSIR, regularly they are asking from this section, so you have to understand everything, how is the time scale, how their eras, periods and epochs are divided, and what were the major events happen in that period or epoch. Okay, come to the origin of unicellular and multicellular organisms. These two things you can find in the microbiology book. Major groups of plant and animals, it is you can read from the taxonomy. Stages in primate evolution including Homo. This thing you can find in the Snusted and Simmons book, which is the last chapter, which is I don't remember the chapter name, but the last chapter of Snusted and Simmons have very good, where the section D is also covered, molecular evolution, and the mechanism, which is the just before that chapter which I am talking about. So these stages in primate evolution including Homo, molecular evolution and the mechanism, which includes population genetics, these are well described in the books Nested and Simmons. And then come to the last section F, brain, behavior and evolution. In this section you will see that these are just common, I mean these are the theoretical, and you have to search. If you have that book Strickberger, then you will then you can read these things like approaches and methods in a study of behavior. What approaches have been taken to study behavior, what is proximate and ultimate causation, altruism and evolution, group selection, clique selection, reciprocal altruism, neutral basis of learning, memory, cognition, sleep and arousal, biological clocks, development of behavior, social communication, social dominance, use of space and territoriality, mating systems, parental investments and reproductive success, parental care, aggressive behavior, habitat selection and optimality in foraging, migration, orientation and navigation, domestication and behavioral changes. So, if somehow you are not able to find that book, Strickberger, then you can read these things from the internet, and you can and you know that now YouTube is the biggest platform of learning. So find these topics on YouTube, on internet. There are many videos, many content available on online where you can read these things, and I will suggest that everything which is there in your syllabus in the CSIR, read everything from YouTube, from internet, I mean from by googling, because you will find difficulty in reading books, because always books are not good. So on internet they have very good content by illustration, and videos are there like so much biology, etc. And I'm not going to teach everything from the syllabus, because my work is only to guide you, and I'm not going to make everything. I mean, I'm not going to tell you about who was Lamarck, what he is given, because there are hundreds of videos available on YouTube. So if I will do so, then this will be a time wasting. So I will guide you to go through those videos and the content on the internet, solve the problems which is there on these topics. Okay, and if you have the book I am telling you, the Strickberger, then it is best. Otherwise you can read from here. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Keep preparing for this exam, which is called CSIR UGC NET eligibility test for junior research fellowship and lectureship. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Share this video and comment if you like the video, and if you have any question, contact me. Okay?